Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Have you ever sat quietly and suddenly felt something deeper than words? Not a thought, not an emotion even, just peace. Like the world went silent for a moment. Maybe it happened during the morning walk or when you watched the sky turn golden at sunset, or while sitting near your child, or with your parent, or in the moment of stillness. That kind of peace I'm talking about. And this kind of peace doesn't come from the things outside, it comes from something within. That's what today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji at tongue 688 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji reminds us of. तनाश्री महला पहला, जीवा तेरे नाए मन आनंद है जियो. आई लिव बाय योर नेम, माई माइंड इज इन एक्सटेसी लॉर्ड. साचो साचा नाव गुण गोविंद है जियो, विच मीन्स ट्रू इज द नेम ऑफ द ट्रू लॉर्ड. Glorious are the praises of the Lord of the universe. So here Guru Sahib is talking about living truly, a life that feels meaningful, calm, joyful. And how to get that life? Through Naam, the remembrance of Vaheguru. Because when you remember Vaheguru, you come in the present moment. And when you come in the present moment, you become self-aware. And when you become self-aware, you understand your own potential. And when you understand your potential, you take relevant actions. And when you take relevant actions, you create great work which creates a difference in the lives of others, and in turn gives you meaningful life, joyful life, happiness. So I repeat, through Naam, the remembrance of Vaheguru, the connection of the one who made us. See, we charge our phones every day, we track steps, calories, but what about our soul? It's tired sometimes, anxious, angry, restless. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji says here, charge your inner battery with Naam. Now how can you do that? Maybe say Vaheguru when you are walking. It's very simple. Say Vaheguru while cooking, when you are stuck in the traffic, or even simply when you feel lost. It's simple but very powerful. It's like a thread that connects you to the one who holds your life. So let's implement this beautiful Hukamnama. Let Naam become part of your routine, not a duty but a joy, not pressure but peace. So today's Hukamnama invites you to live not just by breath but by connection as well. To remember who made you. This is very important. We must remind ourselves again and again. Who is the creator? We are the creation. And to walk every step with love and awareness. And then Naam is not far, it's right there. Just say it once from the heart, Vaheguru. That's where true life begins. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Sarbat da Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.